Okay, so very quickly, let's show you how to make your own copy of a quiz or a Google form that will be in your Google Classroom. So, first, I have to go to the shared drive where the master classrooms can be found, and I'd go to the level. So, this one is entry two portfolio tasks. So, in the master classroom, these are some of the materials there. So, for example, I want to make a copy of this assessment material. So, I'm going to open that quiz. Okay, so it's still loading. Now I want to make sure that I have my own copy. So I'll click on the three dots there and then click make a copy. Now I can rename this task. So remember, we have to use A for assessment material. And if it's like, and then use your own coding 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. It's just a coding for easel, really. So you can change it as to how you want it to be. But yeah, make sure there is an A in the beginning there. And then make sure you change the folder. You don't want it in your master classroom folder. So you can put it where your D file is or your course files are. So I'll go to D files, 2122, Withington, enter 2. Okay, so I'll just save it there. So as you can see, it will be in that folder. So make a copy. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds and there you go. I've got my own copy already. So now I want to go to Google Classroom. Okay, so sorry, let's just edit this one. So this is the original form, and I don't want that one because that's the one in the master classroom and I don't want to use that one. So you remove that and then attach the quiz. Always get it from your drive. So I'll go to drive and you will see, because you just made a copy, it's here under the recent tab. It's here. If it's not here, you can always go to the share drive and then go to your D file, etc., wherever it was saved. So I'm going to click on that one and then insert. And then here, I can put letter A as well. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, for example. Sorry. Uh, whatever the name is. And then um, you can give a deadline and then you can assign from there. So this makes sure that you have full access to the Google form that you will be sharing to your learners and that you'd be able to access and mark them properly. So I hope that helps.